Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will strip down these Loake 1880 derby shoes. They're made in England and they're part of top quality shoes Loake is making. Loake is also known for the reasonable and affordable pricing on the shoes and boots, and this is why I will take them apart today to see how they are made, what they're made from, and how good they are. So I got them from eBay. They're used, obviously, and I paid £23.50 with the delivery included. I think it's not bad for a well-built shoes. I believe so. Just to mention, I will try to restore these shoes in the next video, and they will have new sole, new midsole, new heel stack. I will also try to restore this part of the shoe. As you can see, they are collapsed over here, and this is gonna be my first attempt. I never done this before. I just watch a few videos and I believe I'm gonna enjoy it to restore them. And if you are interested to see what's gonna happen with them in the end and if I will have any success, please consider to subscribe. So let's have a look at them. This is a full leather shoes, derby shoes. I can see the welt over here. The welt is quite old. As well, the front part of the shoe is collapsed. I will try to restore this. It is fully leather lined. So leather sole, leather heel with this rubber part over here for stability, I believe. Yeah, they don't look bad. They just need a little bit of love. So let's have a look what they made from. Let's put these shoe trees on. Let's lace them up. They are also quite worn. You can see the stitching is completely gone on this side. This shoe is as well. Stitching is completely gone. It's not collapsed yet, but it's time for a rebuild on these shoes. Let's put the shoe trees on. So with the shoe trees on, they're getting their form back. It looks quite nice. Let's put this shoe apart and let's try to strip it down, see what it's made from. So I saw in all the videos that the first part, have to remove the heel first. So tight. Coming off. So this is leather. You can see the, I think it's decorative nails. Yeah, but this is leather, definitely leather. Let's take off the rubber part. Let's see. So this part is leather as well. That's pretty good. Now this part, I don't believe it's leather. Let's see. Coming off easily. No, I don't believe it's leather, it's cardboard. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, it's cardboard, it's not leather. See how it's coming apart in pieces. This is not leather. We are gonna replace it for leather. We got the nails here. Take them out. We will have to take this lining out. Let's see how it's gonna come off. Coming off pretty easily. We're gonna need a new one of these as well. And now the nails. Let's see, let's see if we will be able to push them out. Not a chance. We'll have to cut them down. Not flush. So what we are seeing here is a 360 welt. This is very nice. Let's try to cut it down. I'm gonna separate a little bit the sole from the midsole. We are gonna cut it down. Let's see actually. Getting on quite easily. Yeah. So no glue at all over here. these nails are still holding it very well in place. It is all the way through. Having the saw off, let's see. These nails are holding everything together very well. And the last nail. Yeah, we've got it. So good sole. Let's see how much sole left actually in here. Let's cut it in. So we still had a little bit of sole in here. Don't know if you can see. This is how much sole. So it was about 5 millimeters thick. Here we left with about 3 millimeters thick. But it's leather. That's very well and very well built. I really like them. Yeah, we got through the midsole a little bit, but this is not a problem because we are gonna replace this midsole. So let's see if we are able to separate the midsole from the welt. Yeah. So the midsole is quite midsole is quite thin. Oh, and it has a shank. Great. Let's see if we can rip it apart. You see what I'm talking about. And looks like the midsole is not it's not leather. It looks like cardboard. So if more expensive shoe is gonna have leather midsole, this looks like cardboard. It's like what this heel stock is made from. Yeah, it's the same. And the leather, you hear the difference. This is where they're making some savings. In the midsole is not leather. Right, it's not a problem. We are gonna replace this with leather. Let's see if we can. First one, second one. By the way, guys, I'm gonna restore them completely manually, so all the stitching, everything, I'm gonna do it by hands. No machines, no anything. Obviously, because I don't have them. One more. One more. And the last one. Yeah. So everything is out. Cork is still in good condition. Now we have to take all the stitching out from here to expose everything back. This is where we're gonna put the new sole in. But I do believe I'm gonna replace the cork as well. So this is a quite long process. I'm not gonna keep record the whole process, but you got the point. Basically, you have to remove all these stitches from here. The reason I'm pulling out all the stitches, I want to, so when I'm gonna put all the midsole back, the sole back, everything back together, I want to reuse these old holes, all these stitching holes, not to damage the welt, because if not, I'm not gonna know where the old stitches are. I'm just gonna make new holes and I'm gonna damage the leather. So all the stitches are out and the welt is in good condition. You know what I thought about? I'm gonna replace the cork because it doesn't already have the shape of the old owner. I'm gonna keep the shank over here. I'm not gonna take it out because it's got these nails over here. Yeah, just take the cork out. Yeah, not holding nothing's holding it. Let's see, it's gonna come out in one piece. Are we gonna be able to do it? The inside condition is not bad at all. Let's continue this cork. Be able to take it out now. So, the shoe is stripped nearly completely. Ой. This is all good in here, no need to come out. We're just gonna put the cork in here. Everything else here is in very good condition. So let's summarize everything. So let's start from the bottom up. The heel is made half leather board. This is basically small pieces of leather pressed together. This one's leather. This one's leather. This is not leather. We've got leather sole, a thick sole with about 5 mil. Yeah, maybe 6. But it's a nice sole. Midsole. Midsole is cardboard. You see? I can rip it off with my hands. So this is where they are saving money on. Let's see. Let's take a piece out. Set it on fire. Yeah, it's burning. Yeah, it's not leather. Because it looks like leather, but it's not. So the cork is alright. Cork like cork, it was in one piece when I took it out. Leather insole, very well built. I'm very happy with the build of this shoe. Has a shank as well, a metal shank. As you can see, it's not rusty, it's not rusted. We didn't have any water inside here, so it was well sealed. Where is my small knife? Small. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna buy leather midsole, leather sole, a full leather heel stack, and I'm gonna put it back together all by myself. Well, I'm gonna try to put it together by myself and see what's gonna come out of this. Hopefully I will be able to do it. Yeah. So this is it. Now I have to repeat the same process on the second shoe, but I'm not gonna show you this to you guys. So I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I will wait for you on the next one when I'm gonna rebuild everything. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing